अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 33. I wish you to write to me as to the disposal of those cases of yours which I have had lying in these offices for a year now, full stop. You have had successive notices asking you to remove them, comma, but to no purpose, full stop. The cases themselves are ugly, comma, and they can scarcely be said to be sweet smelling, full stop. Besides this, comma, the space in these offices is too small for my business, comma, and I have no room to spare for these packages, full stop. This is an unnecessary annoyance, and I insist on your taking the cases away by the 10th of July at the outside, full stop. Exercise 34. The invoices and bills of lading for the valances and laces are ready for dispatch, comma, and the cases themselves are to leave by the Swiss Valley, comma, sailing on Wednesday, full stop. The advices should be with our customers by the 10th of March, comma, and they will do all they can to make a success of the deal, full stop. They know the business thoroughly, comma, and you may safely leave it to them, full stop. It is scarcely necessary to emphasize what they themselves know already, full stop.